Alright, honey. Today we're going to be opening up a surprise bag. Are you ready?
Well, I guess.
I'm freaking excited! Alright. Alright, so the first book. The first thing is a Minecraft book.
It's a Minecraft book!
No, it's not. Alright, here you go. Here you go. Go play with it.
It's Iron Man!
Yes, it's no, it's not.
Tips to take from this
Alright, next,
Iron
next,
Man
next
video.
thing. Okay, here's your guy. Are you excited?
Did you squeak? If you want me to.
I'm excited. Here you go. Another Minecraft book. Are you
It's
so
cancer!
See that word? We're gonna get demonetized. Got it? You want me to get the bell out again?
I don't know how to drive.
Freaking be excited, or I will hit you.
I don't want to drive.
Alright, time for the next toy. It's a jet. Here you go. Remember, this is for my money.
Do I get swap?
Maybe if you're good.
Do I get food snacks?
Yes. Yes. Oh well.
What if Star Wars character encyclopedia breaks in and
This
then
isn't the interview. All right.
what if we get arrested by the government?
We're not gonna get arrested by the government. We make millions of dollars a year because of you.
Me?
Yes.
So that means I get food snacks?
Yes. All right. Next one. I have no idea what this is. Here you go.
It's Superman.
Oh yeah.
Superman in South Africa, not South Africa, South America. Superman in South America. Look, he got a boo-boo on
Are you ready
his
for the
foot.
next toy? Be excited. All right. A pair of some cheap headphones. Here's some headphones.
This is from Walking Drabs.
You can be excited, or I hit you with the belt again.
Walking Drabs all night.
Alright, so I got him another croc chow because he broke his other. Hey, look! I got you another croc chow.
But what one?
Broke it.
I broke my quack chow.
You're excited.
I broke my quack chow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're not being excited enough. Alright, that's it.
Holy man!
That's it for today, guys. See you later.